Okay, I went into work one day and this lady that I work with, who I'm starting to think is kind of an a-hole, said, "Hey, I want you to try something." And I was like, "Okay, what is it?" She goes, "I want you to try a lot lizard." And I was like, "Oh my gosh, you're disgusting. I'm not doing that." And she looked around and she goes, "No, no, no. What are you talking about?" And I go, "Well, a lot lizard is somebody that hangs out at a truck stop, like a female or whatever, and she's looking to provide adult entertainment for financial gain." And she's like, "Oh my gosh, no, it's called a drink." So I was like, "Oh, okay, yeah, I'll try a drink." So she showed me the video and I watched it and I was like, you know what? I like the ingredients. I don't know about together, but we'll give it a shot. So for this, and Evan Williams, I'm so sorry. Please forgive me for doing this to you. But I've got a bottle of Evan Williams bourbon, which Evan Williams is one of my favorite. And once again, I apologize.
You're so disgusting.
And I'm going to use a shot glass to pour it out in and a little Glencairn. So we will pour in our first ingredient before you guys see the last one. We're going to do an ounce of Evan Williams. I don't have a taller shot glass or I would have made it into one, but you know, whatever. Ounce of Evan Williams. Why are you calling me disgusting?
Because this is not even right.
So an ounce of Evan Williams, and then we're going to do a half ounce of tuna juice.
Oh my gosh.
You don't like tuna juice?
I don't like tuna, period.
No, here's my thing. I love tuna.
I know.
Tuna sandwiches, oh man, I eat them all day long. Anyway, I'm going to open this up. Can you smell it?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's delicious. So I'm going to put in, we're going to call this we're going to put in a half ounce of tuna juice.
Oh my gosh. Oh gosh.
So hopefully I can get half an ounce.
Stop.
Come on.
Is it who I think told you to do this?
I don't know. Who is it?
Oh my gosh.
All right. Keep it going. I'm almost there. All right. Oh, there's chunks falling.
Oh, stop it.
There is.
Oh my gosh.
Look, there's
stop.
little chunks of
I
tuna.
don't.
Okay. Here we go. Evan Williams, I apologize. Here we go.
I'm going to throw up.
Doesn't that look delicious?
No, it doesn't.
Look at that. Hey, can you see that real well?
You can see the swirlies in there.
There's little chunks of tuna
Yeah,
in there.
that's disgusting.
She was so excited for me to try this.
Oh my gosh.
Anyway, here we go. Look at this. It's all cloudy
I'm gonna throw up.
and
Stop,
chunks.
just do it.
Anyway, here's the lot lizard. Oh my gosh. Okay, I like the smell of tuna and I like the smell of Evan Williams. But Evan Williams and tuna together is not good.
Are you gonna do it?
Okay.
Are you gonna do it?
Yeah, I got to. Here it goes.
Oh gosh. Don't throw up on Bella.
Okay, the guy that I watched that did this video said that this wasn't too bad. He's a freaking liar.
Even Bella's had it.
Oh no, the worst part is when you drink it, the chunks in it. Okay, again, you know what? You guys should go out and not try a lot lizard. That was disgusting.